like a Hellcat.
I'm back, and it's snowing. It is snowing. Hey, slow cat, it's snowing. I'm gonna drive home in a freaking. I'm gonna drive home in snow. Well, isn't that lovely? I'm gonna be a frozen cat when I'm gonna get home. I can definitely feel that. Ugh. Oh my god, it's cold. Oh. I know I have these winter gloves, but they doesn't help that much now. Oh my god, it's so freezingly cold! How do people survive winter on bikes? Damn, you're a little bit too close to me. Oh, oh my god, he was scary. Oh my god. Almost can't feel my fingers. Girl, sake. Well, I'm gonna set up my camera and start a time lapse. So, yeah, I'll be back with you guys in a minute. Stay awesome. And if you guys wonder how I'm making my time lapse, I'm just using my standard iPhone's time lapse function. That's pretty easy, isn't it? But that is how I'm making my time lapse. So, and it's freezing cold. I really do want to know how cold it actually is. Just run in front of my camera. I actually wonder if either the GoPro or my iPhone actually can see the snowflakes, but as you can see here, if I'm gonna do this, we got some snow here. So yeah, as you can see, it is snowing, and it's actually starting to snow a lot, actually. A lot more than I like. But yeah. But this is how I'm making my time lapse. I'm just gonna find a random spot, park, and just put up my phone with my cheap little tripod, and well, that's pretty much it. Turn on the time-lapse system. I don't know if Android phones have a time-lapse function, but if you have an iPhone, you can use a time-lapse function. It's in your camera. Just swipe through the menus between videos and pictures, and you're gonna find the little thing called time-lapse. And just put up a steady piece of equipment like a tripod, or put it on a garbage box or something, garbage can or something. Well, it's garbage, and well, that's how easy it is to make a time lapse. Honestly, I really do want some sort of a drone, so I could get some awesome air footage from for example, when I could fly over the houses and come closer to the bike, or come from the sea and come closer to the bike. The bike is the main subject here, of course. But yeah, that could be awesome, and I do really want it. It would be cool if I could get a drone to fly in close to my bike or something. And oh well, yeah. It would be cool if I could do that, but unfortunately I don't have the money for a drone, and they are kinda expensive, to be honest. The DJI drone thingy thing, I can't remember the whole fucking name. Phantom 4, there it is. It cost like what was the price on it? I can't remember right now, but it's like 4,000 to 8,000 Danish kroner. And up in that, you have to get a drone license. You have to actually get a drone license, a flying license in Denmark to fly a drone. To be honest, I can see why. Because there's a lot of people who could just spy on other people's and do silly stuff and all of that shit. And also, if you have a drone, you have a max altitude at 100 meters, if I remember correctly. And okay, 100 meters isn't that much, but it's like from here to the trees over there, the two trees, the two big green trees. There's a lot of naked trees around here, but yeah, you guys, Denmark have some special rules, and to be honest, there's a lot of the rules that I don't like. I guess we could definitely get some better rules, but yeah. By the way, about videos, guys, there's something I want to talk about. As you guys can see, I have some starting problems in cold weather, and if I can't get her started, I can't make videos. So I might only upload like 1 video per week now. So I have some videos through the whole winter until we could get some plus degrees again. Because it would be sad if I couldn't make any videos. And I want to make some videos for you guys. If I can't get out and record videos, I can't make videos for you guys. Does that make sense? But if I can't make videos, it sucks. So it's better to have like 1 video per week than no videos. And my thoughts was first that I want to make 2 videos per week, like Tuesday and Thursday or Friday or something. Yeah, that's just how it's gonna be, unfortunately, because of the cold weather and time and all that shit. But I'm gonna make some more videos. Don't worry, guys. So let's get that camera off and get back home. So, and now you just have to transfer it over to your computer. And that's it. That's pretty much it. That's easy, isn't it? Turn off the light. That's embarrassing.
Like a Hellcat.